Hi, my name is Will Ellison. I'm a clinical psychologist and the founder and creative director of the Social Play Academy. And this is the Dragons of the Spectrum, one of our signature programs supporting social connection and confidence through collaborative storytelling and play. The Dragons of the Spectrum, or DOTS, is a unique tabletop role-playing program designed to help children and teens connect with others, explore emotions, and practice important social skills in an imaginative and engaging way. While DOTS shares some similarities with popular tabletop role-playing games like Dungeons & Dragons, it's been intentionally simplified and adapted to suit younger players and support diverse social learning styles. Set in the magical world of Adelarn, players create their own characters and go on weekly adventures filled with mystery, teamwork, and dragons. Each story has been carefully crafted to align with a particular social theme, whether it's managing frustration, working together, or navigating tricky conversations. DOTS is designed for small groups of 3 to 4 players and runs over 10 weekly sessions, each lasting around 2 hours. Across the program, participants first learn the basics of the DOTS game systems together and then take part in 9 interconnected adventures, each one built around a specific social theme introduced at the start of the session. Each week includes a short, structured skills discussion, followed by a gameplay session where the group practices and applies what they've learned in a natural, fun, and supported way. In DOTS, each dragon the group encounters represents that week's focus, making learning feel like part of the story and not like a classroom. Social growth in DOTS happens in 2 ways, through explicit teaching and natural in-game experiences. Each week introduces a new social skill or concept, such as teamwork, self-awareness, or emotional regulation, which is explored both in conversation and through the adventure. Alongside this, DOTS creates spaces for players to practice broader social emotional skills like turn-taking, listening, problem-solving, and flexible thinking as a part of the group's shared gameplay. Here's a quick look at the kinds of skills that DOTS supports. Every child engages with these areas at their own pace, with guidance from our trained facilitators who gently support learning while keeping the experiences fun and accessible. And if you'd like to learn more information about DOTS or any of our other programs, feel free to visit our website or get in touch at admin@socialplayacademy.com. We'd love to hear from you, and thanks for watching.